Hey girl bosses. Ever feel like your shoulders are about to give out from lugging around a heavy laptop bag? Been there, done that. That's why rolling briefcases are a lifesaver for the busy professional woman on the go. Today we're counting down the top 5 best ladies rolling briefcases to keep you stylish and comfortable while you conquer your workday. Number 5. Solo New York Bryant Rolling Laptop Bag with Wheels. His briefcase is a great choice for women on the go who prioritize functionality and comfort. Here's why. Spacious interior. The Solo Bryant can fit a laptop up to 17.3 inches, which is perfect for most laptops. It also has a dedicated file compartment and a front organizer section to keep everything you need neatly in place. Lightweight and maneuverable. Weighing in at around 1 pound, this briefcase is a dream for your shoulders. The easy glide wheels make navigating busy airports and office hallways a breeze. Stylish and professional. Available in black, this briefcase offers a sleek and polished look that goes from the office to client meetings seamlessly. Carry-on friendly. The Solo Bryant meets most airline carry-on restrictions, so you can avoid checked bag fees and wasted time waiting at baggage claim. Number 4. McKlein Edgebrook Wheeled Ladies Laptop Briefcase. The McKlein Edgebrook is a stylish and functional rolling briefcase that is perfect for the professional woman on the go. It is made from top-grain cowhide leather and features a spacious interior with a padded laptop compartment, a tablet sleeve, and plenty of room for other essentials. The briefcase also has a convenient front pocket for easy access to your phone, wallet, and other frequently used items. Here are some additional things to consider when purchasing the McKlein Edgebrook. The briefcase is on the heavier side, so be sure to factor in the weight of the empty bag when considering how much you will be carrying. The briefcase does not come with a shoulder strap. Number 3. McKlein W Series Glen Ellen Ladies Laptop Briefcase. The McKlein W Series Glen Ellen is a great option for the professional woman who needs a versatile and stylish briefcase. The detachable wheels are a game changer, and the interior compartments and pockets help keep you organized. Here are some things to consider. Material. This briefcase is made from black leather. If you're looking for a vegan option, this might not be the best choice for you. Weight. There isn't a lot of information available about the weight of the empty briefcase. If lightweight is a major concern, you might want to check the specs before you buy. The McKlein W Series Glen Ellen briefcase is a functional and stylish option for the on-the-go professional. With its detachable wheels, spacious interior, and multiple pockets, it has everything you need to stay organized and look polished. Number 2. Amazon Basics Rolling Laptop Case. Black. Rolling laptop case designed for on-the-go professionals. Easy access front pocket with compartments for smaller items like pens, notepads, and business cards, designed to protect laptops with up to 15.6-inch screens. Lightweight yet sturdy design. Fits under airplane seats. Adjustable push-button locking handle with quick rolling wheels. Pros. It's known for being lightweight, affordable, and having a simple design. It also boasts a padded laptop compartment that fits up to 17 inches, an easy-accessed front pocket for smaller items, and an adjustable push-button handle for comfortable maneuvering. Cons. Since it focuses on affordability, the build quality might not be as luxurious as some other options. It may also lack some of the organizational features of higher-end briefcases. Number 1. Rockland Revolution Hardside Rolling Computer Case. This is a great option for a carry-on rolling briefcase. It meets most airline carry-on restrictions and is lightweight and stylish. However, it is important to note that the padded laptop compartment only fits up to 15-inch laptops. Here are some of the features of the Rockland Revolution Hardside Rolling Computer Case. Lightweight polycarbonate material. Fully padded laptop pocket, fits up to 15-inch laptops. Silent dual-wheel casters for easy mobility. One-touch aluminum handle fits in most overhead bins. The Rockland Revolution Hardside Rolling Computer Case is a great option for a stylish and functional carry-on rolling briefcase. However, it is important to consider the size of your laptop before purchasing. No matter which briefcase you choose, make sure it has comfortable handles for when you do need to carry it. And don't forget to consider the weight of the empty bag itself. So there you have it, the top 5 best ladies rolling briefcases. Let me know in the comments below which one caught your eye, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more office essentials and boss babe tips. Thanks for watching.